As you can see, custom inserts for the IKEA Skadis can be very useful. So let's create a new one. At the beginning we need the hooks. I prepared the hooks in a Tinkercad project that's public, and you can import the hooks in your shape collection, so you can easily use it in any other project that you use, and then you can start modeling in your own project. After modeling, I just imported it in Prusa slicer and used a simply modified 0.25 millimeter draft profile with supports enabled. And then I sliced it, exported it, and brought it to the printer.